Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this short and important video lecture I will discuss a house plan in the dimensions of 33 feet by 83 feet. I designed this house for one of my clients, so if you need a house plan 2D structure design 3D animation, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. If you are anywhere I can help you. So let's start guys. The dimensions are 33 by 83 feet. So here guys, first of all I will discuss what are the requirements of my client. So he need 2 bedrooms. So we have 2 bedrooms here with attached bath, a staircase for the basement, kitchen, dining room, drawing room, staircase for the first floor, car porch, lawn, open sky, etc. So this is a best house plan and maybe you will like this plan. So let's start guys. So here this is the main street which width is about 14 to 15 feet. And here guys, this is main entrance for this porch which width is 12 feet. Here guys you can see this is the lawn and here its dimensions are 20 feet. Right? And the width of the porch is also 20 feet. Right? Next guys you can see here also guys you can see the back side is open about 5 feet. Okay, and this side is 2 feet and 9 inches. Right, for ventilation etc. So guys here let me focus the camera. Okay guys, here these are steps provided for this dining room and for the main passage. Okay, so the drawing room is 12 feet by 11 feet and 6 inches. Right, so the size is 12 feet by 11 feet and 6 inches. This is size of drawing room. Next guys you can see this is the dining room. Okay, so the dining room size is also 12 by 10 feet. This is the dining room. Here guys you can see these 2 doors are for this door is for main passage and the width of the passage is guys 5 feet. Right? Next guys you can see here this is the staircase for the first floor for this house plan because this is a ground floor. So you can see here and the width of this staircase is 7 feet. Right? Okay. Next guys you can see this is the window for this open skies place here for this stairs for cross ventilation etc. Okay. Next guys you can see here this is the kitchen. Okay, and this is the service. This door this window is for the service. Okay, service window. So the size of the kitchen is guys 10 feet by 10 feet. Okay, so this is 10 by 10 feet size of the kitchen. Okay, this is the window for this kitchen. Next guys you can see this is a TV lounge and size of the TV lounge is this is 22 feet. Okay, so this is 22 feet by 14 feet. Okay, 14 feet and 6 inches. This is size of this TV lounge. Guys you can see these are steps staircase for the basement guys you can see and this is its window. Next guys you can see here this is the bedroom and size of the bedroom is here which is 13 feet. Okay, 13 feet by 13.5 feet, 13 feet and 6 inches. Next guys you can see this is the wardrobe and the wardrobe width is 1 feet and 9 inches. Okay, same for this. Okay, this is the next bedroom. So guys you can see this is a bath. Also you can use this place for the dress room. Okay, and this is the bath. Size of the bath is guys 8 feet by 5 feet. Okay guys you can see this is ventilation. Next guys you can see this is the window. Guys this is the second bedroom and this is its bath and size of this bedroom is guys 17 feet by 13.5 feet. Okay guys, so this is the second bedroom. So guys you can see everything is visible in this drawing. So we have all requirements in this house plan. Cross ventilation system, cross window system, ventilation system, lighting system, everything is possible here in this drawing. So this is a short video in which I have discussed in the dimensions of 33 feet by 83 feet. So if you love this drawing, so don't forget to like this video. And if you need a house plan, 3D structure design, animation, so you can contact on this WhatsApp number. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.